Hey guys, welcome back. Carter, BitsBeTrippin here at the farm. We finally got in. We're going through and doing some inventory. You guys have seen a lot of the rigs that you'll see coming up here. These are a lot of test rigs, and they're not necessarily deployed always at the at the farm. We'll have them on a shelf, have them running, but we're gonna take everything back, a majority of the test rigs back down to the crypto world. We're gonna clean things up. We're gonna move some of this gear, and we're switching over to more of a standard versus having a hodgepodge of different GPUs and stuff. We're going to make these available for you guys to be able to pick up as we're switching to like the A4000 and 5000 GPUs. And yeah, you guys are going to get to see a lot of this process. We're taking an inventory of everything we're taking down, and then we'll make that available for you guys out at Crypto World here in the coming weeks. So there's everything you guys will see in the B-roll coming up here of some of that action and some of this stuff that's going on today. You got BBT Samantha and BBT Ray over here helping out. They're just kind of watching me do my thing right now, but they're very pivotal to making this work. So you guys give them a like and subscribe, and don't forget to head over to our sponsor for this video and several others, Compass Mining.
Decentralization is one of the most important factors in a global cryptocurrency network. Bitcoin's proof of work functions due to the exceptional security provided by the miners of the network. Today's sponsor is Compass Mining, a company with a customer-focused experience, providing a tailored approach to purchasing, hosting, or even an at-home option, allowing anyone the opportunity to participate. If this interests you, head over to compassmining.io.
Doing our inventory. All right, guys, so we're about to wrap this up here for today. We've been packing stuff most of the day here. We got some stuff that's still not all the way packed. We're just gonna take it as it is. We have a lot of other motherboards, power supplies, RX 470, 8 gigs and 4 gigs, nitros, power color stuff, pretty much everything AMD from 2016 through 2018 that we're wrapping up here. And we're getting ready for, as we've shown you guys on this video, the A4000 and 5000s, along with some ASIC miners from Bitmain when we're talking S19J, S19 Pro Js, S19J Pros, the range of them, and then getting ready for the S19 XPs also when it comes to the A6 side. You guys will see a lot of this stuff up. Hope you guys liked the video and gave you guys an insight to the team and what we're doing here at BitsBeTrippin and how we're starting to expand, and can't wait to actually finally bring the immersion stuff to you guys here in the next few videos now that we're getting this cleaned up, get the racks moved around, and then finish that job for you guys. So make sure you're liking and subscribing, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.